What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is crazy. What time is it here? It is 8:41 p.m. Now, it's crazy because right now I should be at home editing the video that is going live right now. It's almost done, but when people were like, when's the next video going live? Or like, even the most recent question is like with the Hellcat and the truck and me saying, oh, I want to buy a Jeep. People are like, dude, what do you do to afford this? And I'm gonna go into all that in another video, but part of it is like, I'm working. I'm still working, and even if I'm not working for money, I'm working for connections. I'm working for, just getting out there talking to people, socializing with people, because you never know what connections you can make through people in, life like that. So just like, you'd be honestly blown. So, there's more to working than actually working for money as well. So I mean, I'll go into this whole thing in another video, but we were just working, just put a leveling kit on my buddy Storm's Ram 1500, some 35s on his stock wheels, and a new muffler, give it some roar. There it is, all done. I mean, it looks a whole lot better, that's for sure. Obviously I'm a big lifted guy, but anything to change the look of your truck looks awesome. So today we have an awesome install with a new partner on the channel, and you guys, the best part is, me and you guys have an awesome connection, because we're one of the only people right now who have access to this. So today we have an install video, which should be quick and easy. We have an install from our guys over at Speedpole. Now Speedpole, as you can see, they sent us a huge care package. I got parts to connect to this, everything in here, mounts, stuff like that. We got flags. If you didn't know already, which that just gave you away, these are the flag poles you see on all the big SEMA trucks. These are professional grade, made out of aircraft aluminum. They come, and as you can see, this is a variety of things here. I'm not going to get through everything in this video because this is more, there's more parts here than just flag poles, but we got lots of stuff to get through on this channel. But these are the flag poles you see on all the SEMA trucks, stuff like that, because these flag poles here, they go in your bed, but these flag poles here are made out of professional grade aircraft aluminum, powder coated to finish, anodized, high quality. But what I'm saying, guys, is us as a channel and us as a community here, we are the only people who have access to this code. 6.7 Lime will get you 10% off of your order from Speedpole, because I know a lot of you out there are building trucks for Daytona. I know a lot of you out there are aspiring to build trucks like this as well. When me and Speedpole were talking, I was like, hey, is there any way we can hook you guys up as well? So 6.7 Lime will get you 10% off your order. Now, he wanted me to make it clear that he makes these, and they sell out, especially come show truck season and holiday here, Memorial Day, 4th of July, stuff like that. They sell out quick, and you will be back ordered. So if you want to get flagpoles in for the upcoming holidays, he makes these not to order, but he makes them in giant batches, but the batches sell out. And when they sell out, I mean, especially if they sell quick, he's back ordered for like 4, 5, 6 weeks. So if you're looking to get flagpoles for your truck, order them now. Let's get into this. We're actually going to install the flagpoles today on the truck. He asked me where I want to install them. I didn't really like them behind the cab, especially I don't know what I'm doing with my exhaust. Maybe a hint. I don't know if I want to do stacks or not, but I want to install them at the tailgate. So he sent me the install kit for the rear of the truck. Super easy install. You're going to take your tail light out, and you'll be able to reach back here to bolt them in. So that's what we will be doing today. Okay, now I'm going to be honest. I had not unwrapped these mounts prior to starting filming this video. And after I unwrapped them, the quality of these is beyond me. Even the simple things like this Allen screw that screws into this base plate here that is going to pinch behind your taillight, so this gets held in here, is honestly incredible. Just the design of these billet parts, the billet poles, everything is super awesome and high quality. Now, we've all done the things in the past where we put we figure out ways to fly, flags from our trucks. I know me and my buddies used to like tape them to CB antennas and make it work. Obviously, not the best idea. Lost a couple on the road, stuff like that. We've all done it. We've all been there. So, especially when you have like SEMA quality parts to fly your flag, and I can tell you, SEMA quality parts. This feels awesome. The finish is awesome. We're gonna get into this. I just had to go off on a little rant there because I am thoroughly impressed with the design. Now here's the best thing, guys. You honestly don't even need to disconnect this whatsoever. But in here is the back side of your bed here. As you can see, this is what we're looking at inside the taillight here. You're able to get your hands in there, stuff like that, and attach your mounts, which is simple. You know, they provide you with a template. We're gonna get this all centered up, leveled up, stuff like that, and then we're gonna start drilling, and we'll be able to install our speed pole mounts here, just like that. We're gonna go with this factory hole and this hole here. 1/8 inch drill bit, 1/8 inch drill bit to draw, 1/8 inch drill bit to drill us a pilot. See, filming isn't all like, it all looks good on YouTube, but half the time you can't even say what it is. Cut! Yeah. 1/8 inch drill bit to drill us a pilot hole for our bottom hole, and then we can get it all the way up to 3/8 and get our brackets on. The instructions do say drill to 3/8. Talking with him, he made the instructions as easy as possible, so there's no really room for error, and you can do this at home and in your garage, stuff like that. This Allen that goes in your mount is just a bit smaller than 3/8, so I found the accurate drill bit, which means me doing this, I have no room for error. It's the perfect size. If you feel like you're gonna have some sort of just a slight bit off, or your holes are not gonna be exactly perfect, use the 3/8 and you'll have no problem at all. Same thing with the template. I mean, as you saw me, I lined the top hole up here with the template, and that gave me my bottom hole as well. Alright guys, so what we have is we have both of our mounts installed. If I wasn't, you know, just chilling, hanging out, having a good, you know, Friday night here, I could have honestly done this in probably 5 minutes. No problem at all. But we have our mounts in, so what we're going to do is going to mount our speed pole base in. As you can see here, this is how I, you know, set it up. I'm going to put the front ends of these clamps on, just like this, and we'll be able to put our extension in and get our flag on. Alright guys, so this pole is mounted here. We're going to come over here and we're going to put this one on real quick. I'm going to just run through it. Let me get this done for you real quick, and yeah. Alright guys, and just like that, our second pole is installed. That was honestly, you could do that in less than 5 minutes. Same thing with this side. So these are all billet parts, anodized, powder coated. So this is cool. Everything is machined. They designed this over at Speed Pole. So here is your flag top. Here is the upper section of your flag pole. Now these are designed for a 3x5 flag, and you'll see exactly what I mean in a second. This is the flag ring they designed, and I'm going to show you what, you know, how this works and how awesome this is. Make yourself a note that you want your flag rings going the same way. And just like that, guys, your flag is on. Like I said, it's made specifically for a 3x5 flag, for it to be taut here. And obviously when you're going down the road, it'll be flying or in the wind. You have options. Speed Pole has mounts for the rear of your bed, the front of your bed. Everything is application based. It's made and designed to fit your truck. You know, it's awesome. But this is gonna be so awesome for, you know, truck meet season, show season, Daytona. As I said, you can fly American flags, you can fly sponsors flags, any flag you really want to fly, it can be flown. Alright guys, so this is what I want to show you, because not everybody is going to fly 2 flags. So this is going to be your average look with 1 flag. I'm going to get you guys some rollers and some shots tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys a cool addition that Speed Pole also offers, whether you're flying 1 or 2 flags. Alright, now as you guys can see, this is the standard Speed Pole. We all know that there are certain occasions where flags need to be flown at half-mast. So Speed Pole offers you the half-mast extension. Obviously this increases the height of the pole, however gives you the look that your flag is flying at half-mast, which is super cool and super awesome as well. I'm here to bring you guys closer and, you know, in touch with awesome products. especially with the holidays coming up, summer coming up, springtime coming up, truck meets, all this stuff coming up, this is the perfect product for you, because that's what this is all about. I'm no different than you guys. We're all doing the same stuff. We're all into the same things. We're all into modding trucks, building Jeeps, building trucks, building cars, whatever it is. We're all into that. So that's why I'm here, to connect you guys with awesome products. So like I said, 6.7 Lime will give you guys 10% off of your order. And when I asked him, he's like, man, he's like, a lot of time, work, and stuff goes into these. I've never done this before. No discount code, stuff like that. He's never done it. Just for us guys, he made it happen. So 10% off 6.7 Lime. You can get 10% off your order, especially with holidays coming up. But like I said, he makes these. These are, you know, made. So he's got a certain number, and you know, they sell out. So check it out, guys. Obviously, speedpole.com, obviously their Instagram as well. They'll always be tagged. Everything done to my truck is always tagged on my Instagram, and any discount codes and stuff like that is always in the description of my YouTube videos. So don't forget about that. But speedpole.com, speedpole on Instagram. I'm gonna give you guys a awesome cinematic clip here, you know, of these speed poles, and I'm gonna get some rollers tomorrow. Yeah guys, I'm blown away at the quality of this. And like I said, we've all done it before. We've all found the broomstick, we've all found whatever, drilled it into our bed, stuck it in something, whatever. And you know, obviously we all know those, how long those actually lasted. The billet parts, the machined parts, the anodized, powder coating, all of it, just how, you know, the quality of these poles is, you know, unmatched. You guys will be impressed in person, I promise you that. So if you're going from meet to meet, you're having a meet in another week, stuff like that, you can always leave this pole in. Obviously you can leave your flag rings in, no problem. And the best part about this is, now excuse the mess I already have in here, fits underneath your back seat. I'm going to get this one disassembled because it's raining, wet, and dirty outside. Don't want to get the flag all messed up. But what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna take this down, and then yeah, I'm obviously gonna finish this video tomorrow. I'm gonna get you guys some awesome rollers, stuff like that. So